Hello guys, here welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor Mr. Opuki, and if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel and share the link of the channel, to somebody out there that needs to work on math. Alright, so we have this problem that says the sum of the first three terms. So what does that mean? The sum of the first three terms of an arithmetic progression is what? 18. So for instance, let's say we are given the terms as we have T1, okay, T2, T3, and so on. Okay, so the question says the sum of the first three terms. So most times we use S3. So S3 means T1 plus T2 plus what? T3. So that is what we mean by the sum of the first three terms. So you want to add them because sum means what? Addition. Okay. Now the question says this sum is what? Equals to what? 18. And we have the first term as what? T1, which most times we use A to represent it, which is the first term. The question says is what? 4. So we are yet to know what T2 and T3 means. Okay, but we should know that our second term will be T1 plus what? The common difference means we are given arithmetic progression, and T3 is going to be what? We have T2 plus what? The common difference. Okay? And the question says we should find their product. So what it means is at the end, we want to find what? We want to find T1 times what? T2 times T3. That's what the question means, that we should find their product. Now with this, let us now solve further. But how do we find our T2 and T3? Okay, since we are given the sum of the first three terms to be 18. What's the sum of terms formula? We have it as Sn is equal to what? We have n over 2 in bracket. We have a plus what? The n term. So what's our n term? So Tn, remember, is what? A plus, we have n minus 1 multiplied by what? B. So all we need to do is, we are already told that S3 is 18. So the sum of the first three terms. So this is the sum of the first three terms. So our S3 is equals to what? 18. Alright. So now let's see what we can do with that. Okay. So our sum of the first three terms is 18. Now remember, we can write this as our Sn is equals to what? We have n over 2. Let's put in place of Tn, let's write all this. So we are going to have a plus. So we have a plus all this to represent our n terms. So we have a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. Our goal is to find the common difference there. So let's find it by substituting. So we have our s what? Our s3, which is equals to what? 18. And that will give us, now it means in place of n we are going to put 3. So we have 3 over 2, okay, bracket our a, okay, T1 or a, the first thing is 4, so this is going to be 4 plus 4. So we have 4 plus 4, okay, plus our n here is going to be what? 3. So we have 3 minus 1 multiplied by what? B, okay, which is what we are going to be what? Solving for. So let's solve for D, okay. So we have this as, this is 18. So I have 18 is equals to 3 over 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. So I have 8 plus 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 2D. Okay. From this point, how do we eliminate these 2 at the denominator? I'm simply going to multiply here by 2 and multiply this by 2. So this can cancel out this. So we are left with what? 2 times what? 18. which is what? 36 is equals to what? We have 3 in bracket, we have 8 plus what? 2d. Okay. Now from all that, we now have to solve for the value of what? D. Okay. All I need to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 3 to eliminate this. So I'm going to divide this by 3, divide this by 3 so that this is out. So we are left with what? 8 plus 2d, which is equals to what? Now 3 divided 36 is what? 12. Okay. Now how do we find it? We are going to subtract this 8 from both sides. So I have 8 minus 8 plus 2d, which is equals to what? 12 minus what? 8. Okay, so 8 minus 8, we know that's going to give us what? 0. All right, so 0 plus 2d, so we have 0 plus 2d is equals, now 12 minus 8 is going to give us what? 4. So 0 plus 2d is 2d, which is equals to 4. Divide both sides by 2. So 2 will cancel out 2, so our d is equals 2 divided 4 is going to give us 2. Our common difference in this problem is 2. Now that we know our common difference, we can be able to find T2 and T3. So let's find T2 here and T3. Now for T2, we have T1, which is 4, plus what? Our common difference, which is 2. 4 plus 2 is going to give us 6. What about T3? T3 says T2, which is what? 6, plus what? Our common difference, which is 2. That will give us 8. Right? So now that we know, all the terms in the arithmetic progression, we can now find their product. Now their product is simply going to be 4 times 2, which is 24 times 8. And this is going to give us, now 4 times 8 here is 32, so we have 3. Now 2 times 8 is 16, so if we add that is 192. So 192 actually gives us the solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Do well to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next